Howdy guys. So in this video, I'm going to explain to you guys real quick the simple way that we're going to streamline getting your content from your computer to my computer and to the website. So what I've done is what's going to happen is I'm going to create a folder for you in OneDrive or in Dropbox. Really simple. It's going to have your name. And after we figured out the sitemap, which is going to tell us all the web pages we're going to need to create, I'm going to create a folder for each one of those pages. And all we need to do is that you're going to have to upload and drag all the photos pertaining to that particular page in their respective folder. So I'll use the example of the home page here. I have two photos for the home page, and in the photos, I've also described the photo names. I have another video explaining why having proper file name is important. But real quick, here I got Chris Latham kicking, which is what I'm doing in the photo, and Chris open jacket, which is what I'm doing in that photo. And the only other thing that's going to sit in this folder other than images is a Word document with a copy to go on that page. So that way I just need to click on the Word document, paste the copy into the page, plug them all into the right places that we have set up ahead of time. And other than that, you're going to have a logo folder. That you're going to put anything related to your logo, the PNG files, the AI files, the PSD files, the vector files, the SVG files. Everything goes in there. If none of this makes any sense to you, the person that designed your logo will know exactly what I'm talking about. And that folder will also host the font. So this way, when it comes to me designing your page, once I have the template and the blueprint and the wireframe set up, so this way I could easily plug things into place because I will have placeholder images to give you an idea what it looks like. But to be able to have that process go as smooth as possible and improve the speed of your website going from idea to being launched, this is the best way I found to help organize things. If you have any questions, feel free to give me. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. You know what to do. Other than that, I'm hoping you're having an awesome day. And if it's some sunshine, soak up some of that sunshine, baby. Take care.